The best-selling octopus tapas, Pulpo alla Gallega or Galician octopus. Delicious, and that's what we're making today. Please join me at my shabby provincial kitchen because we'll be preparing this from scratch, from the horrors of cleaning, softening, and the eventual plating.
Hello, warm welcome. Possibly the most horrifying video on YouTube. Now that I'm in my hometown where this delicacy is abundant, I'm going to share how to tenderize this. And later, on the later part of the video, how to prepare this.
Pulpo alla Gallega.
Simple Spanish delicacy. But first, let's clean this. Let's prepare this before tenderizing. Join me at the dirty kitchen.
For a quick review of the cleaning and softening process, skip to 2 minutes and 15 seconds for the cooking time.
We're back with the preparation of
Pulpo alla Gallega.
or Galician octopus. It's easy, we'll just fry this. Let's remember that we softened this yesterday. I hope it's softened up. Well, I can slice it. I think not bad. Let's use the, what are these called? Not legs, but this ones. And we'll fry them in their entirety. Look, it's really soft. And the rest we can use for other dishes later. The oil is now boiling, I think, so we can simply fry it. Yeah.
Pero no sit by. Not sit by.
No, thank you.
That's it.
It may not look appetizing, but if you can only smell it, really. If this tastes good, I guarantee. You know that one tentacle costs 19 euro in restaurant. 19 euros. This one tentacle. Did I say tentacle? One leg. Not a tentacle, but one leg. Or arm. Yeah. I'm not confused with the anatomy. It splatters. Look, it's time to turn it over.
Look at the color. Look at that. Beautiful. The other one. Look. It should be cooked now. Let's check. Yeah, look at that color. That's our oil. Well, that's it. Nice. I'm afraid it didn't respond well with the softening. Yeah, it's soft. Let me check. It's not reasonable. Plating. Some pimiento or paprika. And olive oil. And presenting our pulpo a la gallego or Galician octopus. Very simple. Soften the octopus, fry it, add paprika and olive oil, and serve it like this. I'm really happy with this bowl. Let's taste it. Earlier, when I tasted it, it was really good. It was not as soft as I expected, but reasonable.